In my collection of fire alarms, I have one Simplex 4903 horn strobe, and I'd eventually like to get a lot more units in this series because this is probably one of the most iconic series that you can collect as a fire alarm collector. Why? Because there's so many different variations. In fact, I like to think of it as the Simplex 49 series because when you take into account the 4901, 4902, 4903, and 4904, there's just a lot of different alarms to explore and collect as a hobbyist. And today I'm going to go through some of those alarms that I already do have, and then we're going to unbox what's in this box right here. The 4903 series was in its prime in the 90s when Simplex originally started making them, and throughout the 90s they made a ton of different variations of this alarm. And you can find this alarm all throughout buildings today. They made them in horizontal versions, they made them in vertical versions, they made them in strobe only versions, they made them in horn only versions. You can get them in red, white, mechanical horn versions, electronic horn versions. Some of those electronic horn versions are multi-tone, such as the 4901-9809. The pitches can vary based on when they were made. They made them in speaker versions. They have different strobes. Some of the strobes are syncable, however most are not. Some of the terminals got updated throughout the years. The logo got updated throughout the years. There's a lot of different variations of the Simplex 4903. If you've been around my channel for a while, you've seen this device probably multiple times. This is a Simplex 4903-9219. It has a mechanical horn in the back of it, which is the older style horn. And here's a clip of what it sounds like. This particular unit was made in April of 1995. Going to the left is another unit that you've probably seen in my other videos. This is a Simplex 4901-9805. It has a mechanical horn. And fun fact about these mechanical horns that they originally had in these units, they were made by Faraday. And this particular unit was made in January of 1994. Going up, there is a unit that you've probably not seen yet on this channel. I don't think I've filmed any videos of it yet. It is a Simplex electronic horn strobe. It's a 4901-9822, and this particular unit was made in 1998. And you can see on the back it has an electronic horn, and then I'll show you the back of the older one just so you can see the differences. The newer one sounds similar to a Simplex True Alert, however the pitches on the horn can vary based on when they were made, and that's just the nature of how these horns are. You've probably seen it in my other videos. This is a Simplex 4904-9137 vertical strobe. Fun fact about some of these strobes, if you see a green sticker on the side of it, that means it's fixed 15 Candela. A blue sticker means it's fixed 30 Candela, and an orange sticker means it's fixed 110 Candela. Going up, there is another strobe. This is a Simplex 4904-9139, and this one is horizontal. Just like how some of these units are vertical, they've made some of these units horizontal, and that includes these 4903 horn strobes. Some of them are like this, and then they have the fire letters horizontal instead of vertical. Anyways, there is a package here that's in the middle with a new unit that's a part of the 49 series that we've yet to unbox. So I think we're going to go ahead and do that here. Okay, we are in business. Let's do this. Oh, it's new in box. I didn't even know that. That's cool. And you can see already it is a speaker. It is a Simplex 4902-9703. Oh, it might not be new. It kind of looks dusty. Looks like we probably have some mounting hardware, an instruction manual, and then the speaker. Let's take it out. Wow, they made it hard to get out of this box. There it goes. Wow, this thing is dusty for being brand new in the box. I don't know if you can see that dust on there, and the back is covered in dust. So I'm not sure how that got into the box over the years unless it was opened, but here it is. Looks like back here, this is how you adjust your watt setting. You have to pull this piece out and put it in the spot that you want it at. Right now it's set on 0.25 watts. And it looks like somehow it could have gotten pressed in, like the whole front of it was pushed in. So I'm gonna have to test this out and see if it actually works. Before I touch it much more, I'm gonna give it some much needed dusting. Here's what the instruction manual looks like, just for documentation. If you want to pause the video and try to read it, you are more than welcome to. Here's the mounting hardware. It's just a couple screws.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators.
And here are 3 fire alarms where they all look the same, but their insides are completely different. Thank you for watching this video. If you found any of it interesting, go check out some of my other videos. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.